The Northwestern hazing scandal is expected to produce multiple lawsuits. This morning, we hear from one of the former players making accusations. Glenn Marshall has more.
Wednesday morning, lawyers representing former Northwestern University football players addressed lawsuits that were filed against the school and the former head coach, Patrick Fitzgerald. The first two cases stem from former players who say they dealt with sexualized hazing and physical abuse. Incidents their lawyers say former head coach Patrick Fitzgerald and Northwestern University will be held accountable for. Attorney Parker Steiner had this to say about the lawsuit.
This isn't just a matter of football players against their coach or against their program. These are students, these are young individuals, these are athletes that were subjected to abuse by an athletic program in a university. And we intend to hold everyone involved accountable.
Another case will be led by civil rights attorney Ben Crump. He's representing 12 former players who say they endured physical, emotional, and sexual abuse due to the hazing practices that were going on.
We were all victims, no matter what our role was at the time. But the culture was so strong that we felt we had to go with it to survive, to be respected, and to earn the trust within the football program.
It is apparent to us that it is a toxic culture that was rampant in the athletic department at Northwestern University.
Recently, Northwestern looked into the hazing accusations, which led to Patrick Fitzgerald's firing. We reached out to the school for their reaction to the lawsuits. However, they declined to comment. But Northwestern's president, Michael Schill, sent a letter to his staff announcing changes, saying, including the monitoring of the football locker room, anti-hazing training, and the establishment of an online reporting tool for complaints. These steps, while necessary and appropriate, are just a start. And while Patrick Fitzgerald isn't with the university, he's still named in multiple lawsuits. His lawyers deny his involvement, saying the complaint has no validity as to Coach Fitzgerald, and we will aggressively defend these allegations with facts and evidence.